Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Another vlog from Balmaceda family. So, ngayong episode na to is a meet and greet with Ma'am Tet o Miss Tet. Ayan. So, eto guys, pupunta na tayo sa office to meet Miss Tet.
Nalupat sa kapatid. Yes. Baliktad sila.
Registration. Si BFF daw na. Naka-ice cream. Ako naman, panalo na. Itong gabi na to, panalo na ako kasi may libro ako. Ayan. Thank you kay Sir Philip. Ayan. Shout out naman, Sir Philip. Thank you, thank you. So, ayan na guys. Baka mukhang malapit na lalabas si Ma'am Tet. Tapos na tayo mag-dinner. So, we'll see. And wait for her.
Miss Emilia Kujamatling! Next! Ready, Miss Madel Castillo! 5, 4, 3, 2! Madel ka pala! I-vlog mo ko.
Ano? Babagyan ka na?
Labas ka ba? Mga t-shirt dyan. T-shirt daw, sir. Tapos, ito, makan mo. O, yan.
Ma'am Jen, yung mga may dalang libro
O, pila na. Pwede, pila na. Pila na po sa gitna yung may mga dalang books. Sa gitna po sa gitna. Mayroon muna. Para hindi magkagulong. Byline na lang. Byline na lang. Sabi mo, byline mo. Wait lang po.
Congrats!
Kalma, kalma. Sigala mga kababayan natin sa Qatar! Laban OFW! Reach your life!
Hi guys! A continuation of our vlog yesterday. So, nandito tayo sa iconic view. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda pala. Tapos, sige. While waiting for Doc Greg and others, tingin-tingin lang tayo, guys. Vlog na. Hi, vlog!
Hi! Welcome to her vlog.
Thank you.
We're here now at Icon of View.
Yes.
Waiting for our guest of honor.
Sino ang ano mo? Meet a new friend, found friend, Gemma. It's Gemma and Miss Mira. Hello sa aming vlog. Ayan. Ayan. Sama natin to. Eh, syempre, yung partner ko, Doc Greg. Ito yung dinner for mga leaders and business owners dito sa Doha, Qatar. Na ikakandak ni Ma'am Tet later. So, meron na tayong pasimula. Ayan. So, abangan natin yung kanyang talk. Shout out!
Lagi po dito, make sure wala pong blank seat.
Yan. Bring your, Yan.
Okay, syempre, and now we're complete. Maghabol lang ang habol. And para tayo ay mag-start, contracting company. So, anyone po, you can contact with me as you want. And then, I was here already 10 years in Qatar po.
Yun.
I think they can see me everywhere, but with a different look. So even my secret, Michelle, surprised and shocked us in that place. But thank you, Miss Jennifer, for inviting me for giving me a slot here. Thank you also, Ma'am Ted.
So, 26. So, maraming
Kasama
po.
namin sa
Yes, thank you, sir. This group, Miss Madel, Miss...
On the side, I do photography, ABL, Qatar, Pinyan, Living.
Package. Package na, package.
I came because I smell mannequin. I don't know, saan meron. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr.
Good evening, everyone. It's a lovely evening to be, and I'm really grateful to be here. My name is Joe Juliano, and the owner of JD Elements, and also part of Influencers and Bloggers here. So nice to be here.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Joe.
Good evening, everyone. Our bridge mentor. Let's give a round of applause to Miss Heather.
Sa mga kakanta po dito, namnamin niyo po yung message ng song.
Yes, ma'am.
Maabot ang ulan kung saan ang sikat ng buhay ay kay liwanag. Nag-alam ka, ang ikaw na'y pag-asa.
Ano ba yung kanta niya?
Okay.
And I know that it is love. In this place, it was brighter than tomorrow.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. So naka-floral ang Ate Avenue dahil sabi floral daw. Yan. Kasama ko si Adam. Nandito tayo sa Ayan. Dito tayo sa QIC, Al Jazeera Academy. Punta tayo sa venue ng Free Trevo. Ang topic tonight is Never Work Again. So, attend lang na attend ng seminar as long as it's free. Ayan. Ayan. Welcome, welcome. Ayan. Punta tayo. Sundan lang natin si Madam. Ayan. Tapos, ayun na. See you later. back to our channel. This is our 4th day for Freedom Business Rich Repo with Ma'am Ted. So today is Friday. Topic for today is piso. Last night naman is never work again. So Wednesday for business owners and leaders dito sa Qatar. Tapos yung Tuesday, yun yung meet and greet. Ayan, nagba-back check tayo. Tapos ngayon, eto, another event. So, let's see, let's go and learn more. Si Aram naman yung kasama natin.
Pero sabi niya, umupo ka, makinig ka sa talk. Kasi kailangan mo itong maintindihan, kailangan mo makinig. So just imagine, ako pinapaupo. Dapat ibig sabihin, makinig kayong maigi kasi may matututunan tayong maigi.
Correct!
Excited na po ba kayo?
Yes! Tingnan niyo guys, pagod pa yan. Paano kung may end?
Ito pa, sino ba yung
Richard!
Si Richard Gomez!
Guwapo eh! Okay. Balik na po sa upuan. Hawakan niyo.
Big sushi for regalo. Isang malaking subo, mga kabiyabe. Thank you, Dave. Di ba ka-favorite mo to?
Ay, ito yung ginagawa.
Dati. Gumagawa din ng photo si Dati. Ang pahay-pahayan lang. Paborito nila. Meron mo kami.
Ano sasabi? Creamy?
Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Hope you like this one. Ayan, another kainan and a lot of learnings for this vlog. Thank you and God bless. Bye!